Welcome to the ASV3270 instruction video. In this video we will demonstrate typical usage of all 5 operational modes. After installing a 9-volt alkaline battery in the rear of the unit, press the mode button briefly to switch it on. While your finger is on the mode button, the 4 mode LEDs will indicate the battery condition. A good charge is indicated by all 4 LEDs being illuminated. If the battery is too low to operate the unit, the lowest LED will flash and it would not be usable until a new battery is fitted. The ASV3270 has an auto power off function to conserve battery life. This will shut down the unit approximately 5 minutes after the last press of the mode button. This auto power off function can be temporarily disabled by holding down the mode button at switch on for 10 seconds until all the LEDs start flashing. The auto power off function will be reset to normal when you turn the unit off. The first mode of the ASV3270 is the voltage test mode. This mode works much like a traditional test light and can tell you if the voltage you're reading is 12 or 24 volts. Another advantage of the voltage test mode over a test light is that it has a high input resistance, which minimises the risk of damage to the sensitive circuits in modern vehicles. The second mode of operation is the line listen mode. By connecting the ASV3270 to the output of a head unit or sound processor, you can determine if there is any signal by listening to the miniature built-in speaker. You can also test an analog video line for signal. This will sound like a buzz from the built-in speaker. Mode 3 of the ASV3270 is the line tone mode. In this mode, the unit outputs a test tone at line level to enable the testing of amplifiers. Be sure to set the gain of the amplifier to a low setting to start with so the tone is not too loud. The ASV3270's fourth mode is the phase or speaker wire polarity test mode. In order to use this mode, download the special test tone MP3 file from our website. Save it to a USB flash drive or CD and play it using the head unit. When you connect the test leads to a pair of speaker wires, the LEDs will indicate the phase. If the red test lead is on the positive wire, LED A will light. If the red test lead is on the negative wire, then LED B will light. The final mode is the speaker test mode. This is the mode installers generally find the most powerful. From the wiring at the head unit, you can use speaker test mode to send a tone to the speakers, enabling you to quickly tell which wires are connected to each speaker. The LEDs indicate the approximate impedance of the speaker, 2 ohm, 4 to 8 ohm or short circuit. Also, by connecting the black test lead to ground and probing each speaker wire, you can make sure none of the wires are shorted to ground, much like you would use a continuity meter. If either or both of the LEDs light, or there is a tone heard from the speaker, it indicates the presence of a short to ground. Additionally, the unit sends a DC pulse to a connected speaker every 2 seconds. By feeling the direction of cone movement, you can tell if the speaker is wired in the correct phase. When the red test lead is connected to the positive speaker wire, the cone will pulse outward. And when the red test lead is connected to the negative speaker wire, the cone will pulse inward. Make sure to disconnect the head unit or amplifier from the speakers before performing this test. It would normally be done before connecting the speaker wires to the head unit or amplifier. We hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.